Hello guys and welcome back to GhostTech. Today we will learn how to manipulate with clips and delete gaps. If we split any clip like this, you can just click and drag it where you want, like in the middle of a video, and it automatically will fit on it. As we see, now we have gaps. To delete a gap, you just simply click the X icon and it will delete it, or right click and ripple delete. Or you can click trash icon and it will be deleted. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And learn always something new every day.